I'm Stacey J. Hey, hey, welcome to my studio today. Subscribe, like, share. Let me know you care.
Hi, I'm Stacey J and this is my studio. I'd like to say welcome. Welcome back to anyone who has been watching me, or welcome to anybody that is new. It is the 2nd of January here in New Zealand, down under, and it is a blue sky from now on. So I'll be pretty happy if it does stay blue for a while. It's been a bit crud, to say the very least, for that. What have I been up to? Oh, well, I had Christmas Day. I hope you all had a beautiful day with your family. And if you preferred to stay away from your family, well, I hope you had a beautiful day without them. Either way, I had a fantastic day. My mother came. I had all 3 of my children here, and of course, Mr. Christopher. So we had just such a lovely, relaxed Christmas. We normally sit down and open the presents, but Victoria handed the presents around as we were getting ready for lunch. We cooked up lunch. We had roast chicken that was cooked on the Weber and some roast vegetables. Allah kumara was to die for. Really, really was yummy. You're welcome. Yes, I cooked it. And what else we have? Pumpkin roast carrot. There was no broccoli in the supermarket, so I didn't have any of that. But then, of course, we had pudding, which is really nice. What did I have? I love mince pies, custard and cream, but I didn't have any of that because my mother made a pavlova and she brought it with her, and I'm a little bit of a pavlova freak. Not so much needing the cream and the fruit that people insist on putting on top, but she had some passion fruit, which I love, and so that was drizzled over the top. What could be drizzled, apparently it was really super thick, and she had brown chocolate sprinkles on them. I don't remember the little long anyway, we had that. Yes, I can remember back that far. New Year's Eve was rather quiet. The children were up at Kawhiri with their grandfather and their father. Xander was at what we like to call Rhythm and Vines, but due to the weather it became Rhythm and Rain or Rhythm and Sludge. Depends on where and who you're asking. It wasn't great weather for them. It's a 4-day festival and they camp out there and everything, and poor Xander didn't get rained out because he was there the whole time, but he had a fantastic time. He got home yesterday, so he got home on New Year's Day. We stayed up. Mr. Christopher fell asleep. I read my book, and then about not long after 11, we hopped into bed, and we just had to stay awake for Mabel because with the fireworks going off, she was a little bit of a basket case. So I just laid there with my head on my sideboard with a pillow under it, obviously, reading my book with my hand on Mabel. And she was actually really good, having me reassured her. That's the first time I've done that. So, but she just shakes, and it went on for maybe a little less than half an hour. But yeah, I just laid there with my hand on her and just gently massaging her, reading my book. So books, I've been reading lots of them, lots and lots of them. I did make something. Now, I went to put a vlog on New Year's Eve, but something happened to my iPad. Well, say something happened. I couldn't download my song. So last time I did that was the first day of Vlogmas, and I can't get any funding for that because I copyrighted a song, which I don't know why in this particular program I was using, copyright came up. So c'est la vie. So if you see the little red dress that I made right at the beginning on Vlogmas Day 1, you'll know that you're watching that free of charge. Well, not that it costs you anyway. Is that a word? Costs you anything. I'm going to show you what I made. If you have been watching, you know that my best friend, my gorgeous Queenie, is right into animal print, especially that animal print. So, and she reads books as well. And, you know, if you're watching my Vlogmas, you would have seen the book safe. I call it a book safe because it keeps your book nice and safe. For Victoria. It was vintage. Oh my goodness, I say it was vintage style, and then I also made her a bookmark. Now, so this is a different style of book safe. It's more like a wallet, which is so cute. So the lining, I've made the gorgeous sunflowers, and I've got the animal print. That on the back, I popped my name, and I had to do that after I put it together. And it's attached with a snap, and I keep saying I'm gonna get a book to put it in there. I use this pattern for now. Did I make this dress? No, my student made this dress. So basically slips in side and keeps your book nice and safe. So the pages and the cover don't buckle. Now Queenie travels when she is watching her son race. So he's a car racer, if you don't know. This season he's BMW. Just making sure that my Willow isn't going to bark. So that was for her to keep her books nice and safe. Now they are actually library books, which makes it even more needing to keep them precious. I then made her a matching bookmark. And I tell you, it's probably took me about an hour to make this, and I'm not even happy with it, but very hard to loop into those little tiny little holes. So, but I made that for her to go up to Hamilton. And earlier, she's just texted me. And this is the jar opener boyfriend that I made during Vlogmas. If you didn't see that, they are so good. I think my mum made one with owls on it for her friend Jess. So I made that the other day. I still am making myself a book safe. That's style a book safe, and this is the fabric I'm going to use. Of course it's the fabric I'm going to use. And when I went to the fabric store, I came across a remnant of this. I'll just pull it off. Now I was gifted some of this, but I got a remnant of that. It was that basically that much, which is 50 centimeters. It's hardly anything, and I thought, oh, I'll have that in case I need it to go with the one that I was gifted from the gorgeous Julie. And so I thought I'd use that to go inside my flamingos. I've also made the tassel that's going to go on my bookmark, which is that. So I made that. I sat there after I spent that long making Queenies and then finished off a bookmark. I went, oh, I'll make mine, and then. So that was a lot easier. But I didn't want to put, I don't know why, but I wanted black cord to go with it because I didn't have black. If I had black ribbon like this, I would have used this. So at the very least, I'm not 100% happy with it. Now, if you remember during Vlogmas, I made a pair of duck harem pants from Wave and Wild. That is the back, Stacey. There's the front. So they're a size 6 to 12 months, and they are going to Michaela from the pool. So Mr. Christopher has a daughter called Michaela, so we have to say pool Michaela when we're talking about pool Michaela. Otherwise, confusion reigns. And today I saw my cousin Ellen, call him Albie. If you do watch Albie, hi. He came with his wife Mel and his son Jackson. And funny. Last time I saw Jackson, he was being held by Alexander at my nana's funeral. And I actually got Alexander down this morning, so that was a little bit funny to see them now. I think 8.5 is Jackson now. Anyway, so I made Jackson a pair of the harem pants, the Wave and Wild harem pants, out of Lego. You would have seen that when I went to Aussie, I made some Lego ones for my girlfriend Donna's grandson. So it was, yeah. So I made some of those. They were size 9 I made him. He's relatively tall for his age, so. And trying to get that information out of my cousin was hilarious. Is he tall for his age? Well, I don't know. Or is he a 10? Yeah, anyway. So I'm glad I went the 9. I know that with Donna's grandson, he's actually shorter. So I did make, although although I made the 5s, he was shorter than a 5-year-old. And then after they left, I've never made one of these before, but I made the Luna top from Wave and Wild. This is to go to the same person the duck pants are. Though this is a size 6 to 12 month top. It is so tiny. So I have got that, and it's got the little head, you know, the gaping that your head big, because babies have bigger heads, the gaping head hole. So that is really good. So if you don't have the Wave and Wild Luna and you have a wee one and you sew, grab it. They go up to size 4 in this, and they go up to size 12 in the Harem pants. I could look, but I'm not going to. I think it's 12. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm going to fold that back up. I had it nicely folded. So that's what I've done the last couple of days, and finished another book and started another book. So when I had my birthday, Victoria bought me a book, and it was number 5 of the series. So I bought the others, and then I started from 1. I think I started, it was after Christmas, maybe the 26th. So I've read all 4 of the books that I bought in the series. So they came as a little set. And now I'm rereading the first one I read. So it all falls into place now. So although it could have been an all standing, because they're quite elaborate on what they explain and stuff like that, but I just want to now put it into sequence. So I'm reading that book now. So that is what I've been up to. What have you guys been up to? Have you been sewing? Are you free between this period of Christmas and, well, I think work starts on a Monday the 5th. That's when most people here are starting. So unless, of course, you're in the old service industry and you are a customer service, or you work in retail and things like that, you're probably already back at it. I'm going to wrap up Queenie's present and send that off to her so that it's out of my studio and done, and she can use that. I'm going to also package up these 2 little cutie patooties and get them over to Pool Michaela so that she can put them on baby Luca. So exciting. So that's what I've been up to. Can't wait to make my book safe and my bookmark. So at the minute, my bookmark is, you know the photo booths, and they used to have them around quite a lot a while back. My friend Diana and myself, I'd left school and I was doing a traineeship as a secretary, and she was also doing the course, and we got to be really good friends. It's a photo of her and I must have been 17, 18, probably 17. So yeah, so I say 17 me every time I put my bookmark in, I'll take it out. There you go. So that's me, guys. I want to congratulate Zelda for winning the prize. I got, if you didn't know, everyone that watched me during Vlogmas and commented on my vlog had their name put in a drawer. However many times you commented on each vlog, I put in. So if you commented on every single vlog, then you got 24 put in. I also want to say to Karen, I have replied to your Insta chat. Please let me know if it came through, because it looks like it's not even saying delivered. Okay, so if you can just let me know on here, because I know you do comment on my posts, which is great. So anyway, I have put a little, I did put a little tag inside of a little heart label, and I put my label down the side because my label can be more scratchy, so I don't want that on little baby Luca. That is me, guys. That's a whole 14 minutes and 22 seconds of my life I've just told you about. We have been doing, actually, that's not my life. Yesterday, I dressed in rags. I didn't dress in rags. I just dressed in clothes that I could do work in, and we did some electrical work. because we were going to finish doing something, but we couldn't touch that something until we knew where the wire was going for that. And yeah, lots of, yeah. So yeah, there you go. So we did that yesterday, and the weather was rain, not rain, because I was going to say sunny. Rain, not rain, rain, not rain, rain, not rain. Only my hydrangeas didn't get wet, so I've just watered them because one of them looks like it's lacking the hide of the hydrangea name. Anyway, I think that is it. Mum was pleased to see Albie today. It was really good to see him, actually. He looks like his dad. That's my mum's brother. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys go now. This time, I promise. I have drank 2 litres of water already, and it's only 4 o'clock. I've actually had a herbal tea and another drink, so basically I have had 2.5 to close to 3 litres of water. I keep going to the toilet. Yay. Anyway, stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing, hydrate, have no regrets, so cute, and keep sewing. Yeah, anyway, and save face. I'll see you guys next time I'm looking at you. Don't forget, jump in and put a comment down the bottom. Really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It is just for free, I promise. And if you hit the notification bell, you get to see me in your living room or on your phone or on your tablet, however you want to see me. I shouldn't say that because you'll say, come and visit. Anyway, take care, guys. I'll see you later.
Subscribe, like, and share, just to let me know that you care.